everyone. Do you struggle with dry shampoo? Does it never seem to work the way you expect? I used to feel that way about it, until I discovered a trick that completely changed how I use it. When my hair was already dirty, I could never get dry shampoo to make it look fresh again. No matter how I applied it, my hair still felt greasy. One day, I decided to use my dry shampoo not for freshness, but to add texture. Many people recommend using it as a texturizer. Honestly, it didn't work that great for adding texture neither. Other products do it much better for me. However, here's the surprising part. I noticed that applying dry shampoo to my clean, freshly washed and dried hair, it actually stayed fresh for days. I'm talking about up to a week with hardly any greasy roots inside. So here's the trick I wanted to share with you today. After I wash and dry my hair, I apply dry shampoo right away. This simple step has made all the difference. It absorbs any oil before it even starts to build up, and it keeps my hair looking fresh for days. It's not something I do all the time. I'm still not a huge fan of how it feels if I touch the roots of my hair, but when I travel, it's a total lifesaver for looking and feeling my best. Just make sure to brush your hair thoroughly after applying dry shampoo to distribute it evenly. It's a very fine light powder that can be pretty visible on darker hair, and we definitely don't want that. So the best practice is to spray it, wait for a couple of minutes, and only after that, brush out your hair. This trick really helps. So if you've been struggling with dry shampoo like I was, I highly recommend trying this method. Just apply it onto your clean, dry hair and see how long it lasts for you. Let me know in the comments if you give it a shot. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more hair tips. If you'd like to stay connected, make sure to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links are in the description below. I see you in my next video. Bye!